Alright, guys and gals, we are back for part 2 of doing this Bobcat Quick Cat stand-on 61-inch motor. We're doing the spindles, replacing the top bearing. The bottom bearing was fine. I'm not going to change it. I do have them. They're all the same size. Top and bottom's the same. All 6 of them are the same. Just got the bearings in yesterday. So what I want to show you is how they come in. Here's this bearing. Here's the old bearing. Okay, that's exactly what they look like. When you order this bearing, it comes in with this little collar. That's what it looks like on the picture. Don't worry about it. It does come off. You don't need this. I don't know what it's for. It's for some other application. But this is how it is. It will go on with this on the inside of the spindle itself. Okay, so here's the spindle. I sort of cleaned it up. Like I said, these are lightweight aluminum. I'd rather go with these. And my mistake on the last video, aluminum dissipates heat much better. I said that incorrectly. But this is the top, so this will go in just like this. I'll press it in. You use something that will cover the whole thing, or if you have, bearing tools, use that. Doesn't matter, but make sure you start this thing level, not like that. Okay, a little bit of WD-40 will work. You don't want to put a heavy grease on this because these are sealed bearings. Could hurt it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause this for a second while I set up on my press to press it down. Okay, this is how I'm setting it up. I'm going to push. I'm going to put this block of wood on it and press it down as far as it'll go, and then we'll see how far it is. If I need to seat it any further, I'll probably just use a socket. An impact socket's pretty big. It's not a whole lot of force, so you can just use any socket you can, but make sure it's on this outer lip, not on the inner, because your bearings are right in the center, and you don't want to separate any of this. So you're trying to get it right on that lip. Okay? So we put the block of wood on. Bring this thing down. Find out it's not closed. Okay. And I did make sure I had it at least level. See, I mean, I'm not even using the arm to put it in. And there's the bottom. Oops, sorry. There is seated into the bottom. So now we'll just see. We'll see how far it went in. Okay. Because there is a lip inside, and what I want to do is I'm pretty sure. Let's see the other one. Oh, I've already taken that bearing out too. Oh, okay. Well, that answers that question. Look, it's only going to go so far anyway. Okay. You can take and measure the height of your bearing and measure the depth of this. I'm going to start it on 1, so we're just looking at a 1/2 inch. Okay, so it is sort of flush. I'm going to see if I can't just press it just a little bit further just to see. Don't overdo it, because if it's going to move, it's going to move. If it's not, it's not. Okay, it goes no further. Okay, I'll let you know it's just up just a smidge, but that's okay. Okay, now I'm going to set up to put the shaft in. Okay, pretty simple. I mean, it's going to go through there just like that. But the way I'll set it up is make sure the bearing doesn't go anywhere. Okay, I'll tell you what, that was easy peasy. Okay, I actually put it through, set it up on my vise, make sure your bearing is supported as best it can, and actually just take a hammer. I mean, it's no big deal. It's really simple to put it in. This bearing that's on here goes in this area very easy. No problem at all. Okay? Do make sure you try and clean up all this surface. You want it, and also on your deck, just so it fits properly again. All the bolts, nuts and bolts that I did take off, I'm going to clean them up before I put them back on. But it just goes over the top, boom, like that. Not a problem. Where is it? You do have a keyway. Don't forget your key, which I have it on the table. But, you know, keyway, this is your pulley. It will set on there. I'll probably just do a little WD-40 just for ease, but you don't want to put that on until you get this bolted to your deck. Okay? I don't think I need to show you any further because this is pretty much self-explanatory. Once you put this on, it's going to go all the way down and stop, because as you see by the little shininess in the center, it will actually rest right on there. Okay? Not a big deal because that turns. Nothing else turns. All right, that is the video. I hope y'all like it. I hope this helps you. Like I said, you're starting with this. I did have to press this bearing out this way. Put something in the center and press it out. No big deal. Again, these are the new bearings. If I can get one out, I'm going to show you again. I got them off of Amazon, but like I said, boop, this piece you don't need. Okay, those are the bearings you need, and they should work. All right, thank you for watching.